Hello and welcome to John Darks Limited. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this Volvo XC40 1.5 T5 twin engine recharge 10.7 kilowatt hour R Design Pro with only 14,255 miles on the clock. This model is the plug-in hybrid, finished in this lovely grey with only one keeper. It does sport these lovely 20-inch 5 double spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. It's fitted with the Type 2 charger connection there. With it being the R Design Pro, we do have these really nice half leather, half suede seats. Aircon in the back with the charging port. Isofix on the two outer seats with a pull down armrest and cup holder. This car does have cruise control and speed limiter. All equipped with DAB radio, smartphone integration, privacy glass, rear parking sensors and parking pilot. Automatic boot. Nice recharge branding on there as well. Comes with heated front seats, a wireless charging pad, charging mobile phone, and it does have built-in sensors navigation. Electrically adjustable front seat for the driver, and two sets on the memory setting there as well. You can operate the tailgate from inside the car. Just boasts this 9-inch centre console portrait touchscreen. This nice leather wrapped steering wheel where you can control all your menu functions, audio and voice control. To arrange a test drive or book a viewing on this vehicle, please call one of the team on 01507 603 451.